healthcare. The bill didn't get passed, and I guess they're trying for it again. What's the status on that, and what do you guys think about the bill?
First the House.
I really want to know what you think about being a business owner.
Well, I mean, the
because
bill
you could say to your employees, I'm not going to give you health care anymore.
Yeah, I mean the bill did pass the House, but it's now there's a version of the bill being debated in the Senate, and so we got a long way before we get to a final bill. And I think Republicans might have celebrated a bit too early too, because it could be that the Senate changes the House version substantially and significantly. I mean, and if that happens, then the Senate version, you're going to lose some House votes when it comes back up again. So I mean, we're a long way from it happening. But yes, I mean, in the House version, they removed the employer mandate, which I think is huge and significant. I mean, because you got a lot of small businesses, including mine, that incurred a lot of heavy costs because we all of a sudden were forced to buy health insurance for employees. And the other thing that ended up happening is when they implemented this rule that anyone that worked over 30 hours or more, you had to buy insurance for them. You had a lot of businesses like mine that stopped working people 30 hours. So you had a lot of people who were working 40 hours who got the hours cut to 25, 28. So now all of a sudden they're working part-time for me, and they're working part-time for Kwame, and they're working part-time for someone else, trying to string all these part-time jobs together. So if this employer mandate goes away, all of a sudden now I can put that person back on a 40-hour work week, which is what they would want anyway.
Are you going to pay them enough so they can afford health care on their own?
I mean, you're going to pay them.
That's the thing.
You're going to pay. I mean, and I can't speak for every business out there, but you're going to pay whatever the market wage is to be paid. And
so they're going to be able to afford all the bills that they have already and health care for them and their family.
I don't know everybody's individual situation. I mean, and whether or not I don't know what your bills are, what your household budget is.
Well played.
Oh yeah, it's well played. That's why I love it.
You're going to pay a market wage, and that's what it's going to be.